Welcome to my channel, my name is Zerboy, and today I'm gonna show you how I select my favorite takes, my favorite b-rolls, and hopefully I can help you to save time and edit super fast. The only thing that you need to do to select your favorite takes is very simple. Press S to activate this bar here that's gonna follow you, that you're gonna be able to see everything super quick. Press I to select the beginning, go over and press O. And then when you select the part that you want, press F, and then keep doing that with all the other takes. Boom, O, F, and then this take, I press spacebar or just go over O, F, this part, I, O, F. Let's say I finished everything, I went over everything that I want. We're gonna go on top here and you're gonna select favorites. So now, for library over here, you're gonna be able to see only the favorite takes, only the ones that you press IOF. After this, you can select everything, press W, so it doesn't create that black bar here on your timeline. And now you have every single take that you like. This way, you speed up a lot your workflow instead of dragging all the footage on your timeline and cutting. And that's it for me. I hope that you learned something today. Leave your like to support this channel, and if you want to keep learning, improving, and bring your editing skills to the next level, I have another video right here just for you.